Hello, welcome back everyone. Let us start with part number 11, that is stud, which is shown here in the drawing. So let us start from this side by drawing a circle of 16 mm dia because it is given there as M16. Go to Solidedge. Select sketch and select the front plane. Here draw a circle of 16 mm diameter. Now click on return. Select protrusion and select the circle and click on OK. Now enter the distance as 27 plus 28 mm. Now click on finish. And again select sketch and select this surface. And here draw a circle of 22 mm diameter. Now click on return, go to protrusion, select this circle, click on OK, and now enter the protrusion value as 20 mm. Go to sketch, select this surface, and here again draw a circle of diameter 20 mm. Sorry, 16 mm. Now click on return, go to protrusion, select the circle, click on OK, and enter the protrusion value as 125 minus 27 minus 28 minus 20. That is, from 125 we have to minus all the values of protrusion which we had given before. Now click on finish, go to thread, select straight thread and click on OK. Select this cylinder, now select this edge and go to finite value and type 27 mm. Now select this cylinder and this edge and go to finite value and type here 35 mm. We are done with the stud. Go to material table. And the material for the stud is Fe410W. Type Fe410W and then click on apply to model. Now go to file properties, summary, type here stud, and then go to project number, document number 11, and project name as stud, and click on OK and go to file and save the file. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.